Greetings, candidates, and welcome back to the lesson. The subject is Governance and Compliance Audit. Today, we are going to analyze the data collection instruments. Because when collecting evidence, the auditor has to use certain instruments. An auditor uses various data collection instruments to gather evidence for governance and compliance audit. And these tools help the auditors to systematically and objectively collect the information that is needed to assess an organization's adherence to rules, regulations, and internal policies. And one such instrument is checklists. Checklists. One, checklists. Checklists are lists of predefined items or tasks or controls that an auditor uses to verify that all the necessary steps have been taken. For example, a checklist might be used to confirm that all required documents were included in a financial filing, or that a specific security control has been implemented. Checklists. Number two, questionnaires. Questionnaires are used to collect data from a large group of individuals, such as employees or stakeholders. And questionnaires are an efficient way to gather information about attitudes, about knowledge, or practices that are related to governance and compliance. This is the second instrument, questionnaire. Three, there is what we call the audit software. Audit software and the GRC platforms. Audit software and the GRC, governance, risk, and compliance platforms. Such software. Now, here apparently we are talking of technology. Technology plays a significant role in modern audits, and software tools automate and streamline data collection and analysis, as well as reporting. One type of such tool is the audit management software. Audit management software is one example of audit software, which helps the auditors to plan, execute, and manage the entire audit process. These tools often include features for risk assessment and also creating checklists, tracking audit findings, and generating reports. 2. GRC platforms. Governance, risk, and compliance platforms. Again, here is the use of technology. These are integrated systems that help organizations to manage their governance, risk management, and compliance programs. And auditors can use these platforms to directly assess real-time data. These ones are managed by the organization. The auditor may be given access to these platforms so that the auditor gets real-time data. The auditor may get policies on these platforms and control documentation. The third category of audit software is data analytics. Data analytics. Data analytics tools are used to analyze large data sets to identify patterns, anomalies, and potential issues. For example, An auditor might use data analytics to compare a company's financial records to industry benchmarks or to detect unusual transactions that could signal fraud or non-compliance. So these are audit software and GRC platforms. The fourth instrument, data collection instrument, is interview and observation forms. Interview and observation forms. These instruments are used to document information gathered through direct communication or interaction. We have interview forms. Interview forms candidates are used to record the questions asked and the responses received during interviews with key personnel, and this ensures that the auditor has consistent and detailed record of the conversations that are held by the board of directors or the top management. Interview forms. Then there is the observation forms. Observation forms are used to document the auditor's observations of a process or a control in action. And this provides objective evidence of whether an organization's policies and procedures are being followed in practice. Interview forms and observations and observation forms. For candidates, we are discussing the instruments that the auditor may use in the process of gathering data. Let's move to the fifth tool or instrument, which is sampling and statistical tools. Sampling and statistical tools. Sampling and statistical tools. Here, auditors often use sampling to examine a representative portion of a large population, such as a sample of financial transactions or a sample of employee records. Auditor may choose to take a fraction of the records and not to examine the entire population. For population, sampling tools can be as simple as a random number generator or as complex as a specialized software that helps auditors to select a statistically valid sample. And this technique is crucial when it is not feasible to examine every item of the population. Sampling tools. Then we have the analytical tools. Analytical tools. We've explained sampling tools. Then there is the analytical. What are these analytical tools? Analytical tools, on the other hand, are used to analyze the results of the sample and then extrapolate the findings to the entire population. And that helps the auditor form a conclusion about the overall effectiveness of a control or a process without having to review every item of the population. So candidates, these are 5 data collection instruments that an auditor may use in the process of gathering audit evidence. Number 1, checklist. Number 2, questionnaire. Number 4, audit software and GRC platforms, governance, risk and compliance platforms, which could be the audit management software, the GRC platforms, and data analytics tools. Number 4, we have interview forms and observation forms. Number 5, sampling tools and statistical tools. Thank you for attending the lesson on data collection instruments. We meet in our next session where we continue to share knowledge in governance and compliance audit. Bye-bye.